Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not making sound. First, let's start with some basic checks. Make sure your device's master volume is turned up and not muted. Then, open Roblox and check its in-game sound settings to ensure the volume sliders are not at 0 or muted. Finally, confirm that your headphones or speakers are securely plugged in and functioning correctly with other applications, ensuring a solid connection. Next, let's dive into your device and application settings. Ensure Roblox has the necessary permissions to use your audio output in your system's sound mixer. It's also crucial to update your audio drivers. Outdated drivers are a common culprit for sound issues. After checking these, try restarting the Roblox application completely, and if the problem persists, give your entire computer a fresh restart. If the previous steps didn't resolve the issue, we'll move to more advanced troubleshooting. One effective method is to clear the Roblox cache files from your system, as corrupted cache can cause problems. If that doesn't work, consider completely uninstalling and then reinstalling the Roblox application. Also, test your sound with other applications to determine if the issue is specific to Roblox or a broader system problem. Should the sound problem still persist after trying all these steps, don't worry, there are more options. We recommend contacting Roblox support directly. They can offer personalized assistance for your specific situation. Additionally, exploring online forums and community pages can often reveal solutions from other users who have faced similar challenges. Remember to provide as much detail as possible about your issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.